What's up guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be filming a fall room tour. So recently on my channel, I uploaded a video of me decorating my room for fall. So this is kind of like the part 2. This is like the actual reveal where I got everything from and just like an overall, I was going to say an overall room, an overall view of my new room. So if you guys know me, I'm literally obsessed with fall. So it literally looked like fall exploded in my room. So if you guys are not into that and if you're still in summer mode, please click off this video. You'll probably not enjoy it. Unless you're like me and you love fall, then you will 100% be living. So really quickly before we jump into this video, it would mean the world to me if you guys could subscribe by hitting that little red button down below. You can also hit the bell right next to it to be notified every time I drop a video. And if you like this video and you want to see more fall content from me, then please give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's jump into my fall room tour. Okay, so when you first walk into my room, this is like the overall vibe you get. Very spooky DeLuca bear, very spooky. A lot of orange, a lot of spooky cat. Oh my god, he's so cute. He's so cute, I can't. Oh my god, he's so cute. Guys, does he not add the effect to my room? He just makes it so much spookier in here. Moving on, so when you first walk in, I just have my everyday purses here. This is more my everyday one. This is kind of like my going out one. It's a really cute little black T-Rex. I just bought it off of Amazon. And then my red bag is just from Bentley. And then I have this silver lamp that I've literally had forever. I don't know where my mom got it from, but I've had it at like every apartment I've been at. And then this is my vanity. I'm trying not to get myself in the mirror because I look like a tool right now. So my actual vanity and tabletop and mirror is all from IKEA. It's just the Alex 5 drawers and just a plain white tabletop. And as for the candles that I have burning right now, I have caramel pumpkin swirl and cinnamon pumpkin, sweet cinnamon pumpkin. That's what it is. They smell really good together. Over here I just have all of my face masks in a little wooden container. I thought it looked really cute. And then behind I have DeLuca Bear's treats, but I don't want to say it too loud because he's sleeping, so he's gonna hear if I say the word treats. So yeah, anyway, some ASMR for you. And then I have this really cute sign from Michaels. I believe the majority of my signs and like my decorative pillows and stuff were from Michaels. This one's so cute. It says, "But I think I love fall most of all." And it's so true because I do. And then I have this cute little LED bat that I got off of Wish, I think it was last year. It's super cute. And then I just have some fall foliage that I just got from Dollarama. And then I also got these cute little pumpkin lanterns from Dollarama as well. They've had them every year the past couple years, so I just pick up a new set every year. Yeah, they're super cute. I think it just adds to the vibe. I even put on my autumn laptop case because I'm that extra. Water bottle. This is my little makeup area. So I bought this box from Michaels. It just says locally grown, freshly picked apple cider. And then this is just like a look at my everyday makeup. I also filmed a makeup look, like a fall look that I'll be posting eventually. I don't know what's going up first, but be sure to check that out. And then I also just have all my makeup brushes in this little farmer's market. What does it say? Locally grown fresh pumpkin. So those two were both from Michaels. I just purchased that the year before and then I got this one this year. And then this little Dracula is from Bath & Body Works from a few years ago. He's just a little candle holder, but instead of putting one of the little tea lights in, I just found this cute flickering orange one from the dollar store and I thought it was really cute. So yeah, that's my desk where I do all of my filming. This is like the backdrop. This is where I edit my videos and stuff and I get ready in the morning. So this is like my favorite place in my bedroom. So I just wanted it to be like super festive. And then next to that, I just have a huge floor length mirror that my aunt got for me for Christmas last year. It's just from the brand Yisk, or the store Yisk. It's like JYSK. And it was super affordable. Oh my god, my lights aren't even on. I need to turn my lights on. Wow, okay, way cuter. I should have had that on earlier. But yeah, it looks so cute together with like my little vanity and my floor length mirror. So yeah, I didn't really have a spot for my room. It's really big, but I like it because it just makes my room look a little bit bigger. These are just the shoes I'm gonna be wearing to my sister's wedding this month. Some extra Bath & Body Works products that I don't really have a home for yet. Okay, and then moving on from that, I just have like my dresser from IKEA, Bailey's PlayStation that we watch Netflix and all of that stuff on, and then our TV. Yeah, it's just my sister's fiance's TV that he just let me and Bailey have a long time ago. So, well, not really have, more like we're borrowing it, but he hasn't asked for it back yet, so I hope he doesn't. So Adrian, if you're watching this, thank you. I appreciate this TV. It's been through multiple apartments and it's doing great. And then on my dresser, I also have this little Direwolf like LED light slash like the Stark logo or emblem, whatever they call it. Bailey and I are obsessed with Game of Thrones, so when I was at Comic-Con, I saw this and I thought it was so cute. It does light up, but I think it's out of batteries or something. Normally you just press it and then it will like flash different colors, or like you can set it to a different color, so it's really cute at nighttime. And then I just have a fan next to it because my house gets so hot. I live in an old farmhouse, so a fan is essential. And then I have Justin Bieber in my room. My mom has had this Justin Bieber cutout since he looked like this. Like, what? It's been in her trunk, and then it was like way too long, and my mom thought that like I just didn't like him anymore and that I wouldn't want it, so she's gonna donate it. Are you kidding me? I'm obsessed with Justin Bieber. I have been obsessed with him since YouTube days. I love him. Bailey hates this in here because it freaks him out, but I don't care because I love him. And he's gonna stay right there because he's so cute. Anyways, I also have some ball caps from Universal Studios, not Universal Studios, Disney, and a Jay's hat behind it. And then this is my windowsill. My curtains are just from IKEA. And then all of my candles are Bath & Body Works. And then I have these cute little skeletons from Michaels. I thought they were so cute. This one is from this year. It's like a little husband and wife. I thought it was so cute, but like the wife has her little hand on her chest. I thought it was adorable. And then his feet hang over the edge. And then this one I got last year, but I think it's still available. So yeah, you can definitely still pick those up. And then as for the candles that I have, I just filmed a huge fall Bath & Body Works haul, but these are some of the candles I picked up. I have Gather, Pumpkin Clove, Caramel Pumpkin Squirrel, Caramel Pumpkin Swirl from last year that I'm just trying to finish up. Autumn, and then I have Sweater Weather from a few years ago. Okay, now for like the super fun part. This is my bed where I spend 50% of my time. So yeah, Bailey and I have two matching bedside tables from IKEA, one here and then obviously one on the other side of the bed. On top I kept his pretty simple because I know he doesn't like a lot on his bedside table, so I just have his iPhone charger, and then I have two candles. I have Autumn, Sunshine, and Maple Cinnamon Pancakes, just to like have another spot to put them so that I'll be reminded to burn them. So then I just have this zebra print that my dad had got for me a few years ago for Christmas, and I love it. Zebras are my favorite animal. So it's just called Bonnie and Clyde, and then that's the artist if you guys are interested. As for my fall leaf foliage, it's just from the dollar store, and I just use command strips. Is that what they're called? Command strips to hold it up. As for my bedding, my actual bedding is from Walmart from last year. My actual bed is from IKEA. It's the same one I've had for like the past 4 or 5 years. This really pretty burnt orange throw is from Urban Outfitters, and I literally only bought it so that DeLuca will sleep on my bed. And my plan worked. Look how cute he is. Oh my god, guys. I don't know how people aren't cat people. Look how cute. He probably hates me. I'm being so annoying. But yeah, that's from Urban Outfitters, and he absolutely loves it. And then as for my 3 pillows in the back, I think they're from Home Outfitters. And then I just have like my normal basic pillows. I don't know where I got them from. They're from like forever ago. And then my 2 decorative pillows are just from Michaels. So this one says Farmer's Market and this one says Home Sweet Home. And they're just, they're from last year, but honestly, I think Michaels sells like the same decor like year after year, so you can probably find those ones there, honestly. And then this is my side. It's a little bit more hectic with the pictures and the stuff on my vanity, not vanity, on my bedside table, but it doesn't bother me. So this says Happy Pumpkin Spice Season. It's from Michaels, and this one is also from Michaels. It just says Home Sweet Home. And then this one just says Pumpkins, Leaves Fall, Hayrides, Cider Harvest, and Blessings. And then this is a beautiful picture that one of my school friends painted for me of DeLuca Bear, and I love it. It's not really like fall-y, but I wanted to put it up because it's too beautiful not to put up somewhere. And then this is my bedside table. I just have my phone charging, my Apple Watch charger, and then I have a another Bath & Body Works candle. This one's Welcome Home, and I just paired it with Bonfire Bash cream and body mist because they all like match in color, so I thought it was cute. And then I just have this little dish where I can put like jewelry or my lip balm, just like trinkets basically. And I think this is from Michaels as well. Oh my god, guys, this LED light is so cute. It was from the dollar store, so it was only a couple dollars, and it has this cute little string light on the inside. It's just battery operated, so it's really easy. I didn't need another plug because I have so many plugs down there, and then I have one going back around so that Bailey can use his charger, because like for the longest time we just charged both of our stuff on this table, and it was kind of annoying. So yeah, I thought that would kind of like make that issue go away. But yeah, so this is my side of the table, and I think it's so cute. And then I just have my gym bag here, and then this is pretty much it. Garbage, tripod, and my mirror from IKEA that I'm obsessed with, but you can't really see it, but it's cute anyways. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna give you another overall view of my room so you can see, and we'll just cue the outro, I guess. So that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour. And if you guys watched the previous video of me decorating it, I hope you enjoyed kind of being on that journey with me. But yeah, let me know down in the comments if you guys decorate for fall, what your favorite season is. Clearly, this is my favorite season. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.